My name is Tucker Annis, and I have joined the Nurses Drawdown movement. As an inpatient cardiology nurse, I saw a lot of the effects lifestyle choices have on impacting our long-term health. On a larger scale, some of these same choices we make every day also have long-term consequences for the health of the planet. It's hard to always stay focused on making good decisions, but fortunately it's a lot easier to build small changes into your life and just take it piece by piece. This is why I am joining with nurses around the world to make the commitment to increase my use of public transportation and biking instead of driving. When you work at a university hospital, the parking situation is usually going to be pretty rough. And when I could find a spot, it was $6 or $7 a day to park. That adds up really fast. So I decided to buy a road bike and just pedal my way to work instead, and ended up saving about $1,600 a year in gas and parking. More than the financial benefits though, biking to work is a really great way to get in the right state of mind to take care of people, and can automatically fit exercise into your schedule when you're busy just trying to get through a long stretch of 12-hour shifts. Getting active minutes becomes a lot easier when your only options for getting home are biking or calling a cab. The average person burns 200 to 300 calories every 30 minutes when biking, which means that my morning and evening commute was taking an extra 600 calories off my plate each day. That's a pound of weight loss for every 6 times you bike to work. For every gallon of gas that we burn in our cars, we emit 20 pounds of CO2 into the atmosphere because of how it combines with oxygen. So if you're working full-time and commute 20 miles to work in a car that gets 25 miles per gallon, your personal carbon emissions for the year would be 8,000 pounds. That's the weight of 7 grand pianos worth of CO2 floating into the air and warming the planet. But for many people, riding a bike to work just isn't an option. However, all of us can still do our part to reduce emissions by biking in our neighborhoods, taking advantage of carpools, public transit, or choosing fuel-efficient vehicles. So if you want to improve your health, save some money, and save the planet, join Nurses Drawdown and use your trusted voice to help launch a movement of nurses around the world who are taking action to address climate change using real-world solutions.